Hello guys! Today we will do lessons on Invalsi book. Allora, take Invalsi book on page 58, task 6, a present for a friend. Now you will listen to a girl talking to her father about a present for a friend. While listening, choose the correct answer, A, B, C or D for question 1 and 4. Put a cross in the correct box. Only one answer is correct. The first one is an example. Potrete quindi ascoltare il brano per 2 volte, 20 secondi ciascuna, e poi dopo rispondere alle domande. Allora, the first is an example. Then you will start from 1 to 4. Keep attention and listen well to the text. Then, task 6, a present for a friend. Red. What is that, Catherine? Catherine. It's a present for Christine. Dad. A present for Christine? Christine. Yes, it's her birthday next Saturday. Dad. What is it? Catherine. It's a bracelet. Dad. Did you buy anything else for her birthday? Catherine. Yes, a new pencil case. Look, it's very nice. It's got the American flag on it. Dad. Why? Is she American? Catherine. No, she isn't. Christine is Spanish. She comes from Madrid, but she loves the USA. Then, now the recording is stopped. You can hear it another time, and then you have to answer to the question on page 58. Okay? Bye-bye.